Squarespace Express Checkout tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to enable the Express Checkout on Squarespace. The Express Checkout is going to be here a shortcut or a bypass feature that will give the access directly to the checkout on the Squarespace and not the cart. So when the customers are or do not have time for the specific cart or seeing the cart and also regulating the quantity of a product, for example, or revising their, let's say here, buyings, they are going to get here the express checkout. So they are going to be here buying directly the product. So this feature is going to be here very util to make or right there make the customers regulate or gain some time on the checkout. So all you need to do is to head over right there, checkout of the Squarespace. But before that, you are going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to select the website that you are going to run the e-commerce on. So here we have the website. I have selected that. So now we are going to see our website on the middle, nearly the middle, and we are going to get the dashboard of the website or the control center at the left side of the screen here. So we are going to click or right here, we are going to scroll down and click on the gear icon, which is going to be here our settings. From here, you are going to see the general settings of your website, but we are going to head over the selling section. Click on selling, and from there you're going to see all the information and the setting about the payments and carts or checkout. So from here we are going to click on cart, and as you can see we have here a feature called enable express checkout. So we are going to enable that, and here we have the saved settings. So the enable express checkout feature is going to allow the customers to bypass the cart and go directly to the checkout, recommended for single product stores. So here, after you have set up the express checkout, do not forget to design well and set up your checkout. So you are going to head over to settings, checkout, and here we have the checkout page. You're going to set up here the features that you need for the checkout. So right there, you can go ahead and design right there the checkout page and also set it up. Here we are going to see some additional fields. You can go ahead and add some fields right there and etc. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.